Welcome to our floral showcase, where we delve into the artistry of white plum blossom arrangements. In today's presentation, we are featuring 3 distinct floral designs that unfold a captivating narrative. From the elegance of a taller vase to the charm of a bowl-like vessel and the simplicity of a medium-sized vase, each arrangement has its own unique style. We invite you to enjoy the beauty of these designs and encourage you to share your thoughts. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more delightful floral inspirations in our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining us on this blooming journey.